Welcome to Matidor. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to add and manage map drawings to visualize your project data better. Start by opening your project. On the right side of the map, you'll see the drawing tool alongside other map controls. Click the drawing tool and choose one of the drawing shapes, like a polygon, line, or point. Click on the map to start drawing. You can add multiple objects to mark different features or areas on your project. After drawing, customize the style, add labels, and tags from the Drawing Edit panel to make your map clear and informative. When you're happy with the edits, click Save to keep your drawing on the map. Alternatively, if you add work with location enabled, the drawing mode appears automatically for precise map marking. Draw the area or point linked to your work item and continue filling out the work form. You can export your drawings for sharing or analysis. Open the Layer panel, click on Drawings under the project layers, select the drawings, click on the three dots on the upper right side and select Export. Matidor drawings will be exported with KMZ format. Did you know that parent projects can access subproject drawings? Toggle drawings from subprojects in the Layer panel under the Subproject Layer section to view all related geographic information in one place, though edits must be done in the subproject itself. With Matidor's map drawings, you bring your projects to life visually, helping your team collaborate and move forward with confidence. Thanks for watching. Tap that next video on screen to learn more, and hit subscribe so you never miss what's coming next.